The truth is, you are only 1 year of pure focus away from a completely different life. Not from trying a little bit of everything. Not from chasing 10 goals at once. From choosing one mission and giving it everything you have. Most people never find out what that kind of focus feels like because they can't even go 1 week without getting distracted. They say they want to change their life, but they scatter their energy in every single direction. They start a business, then lose interest. They hit the gym for a week, if they're lucky, 2 months, then disappear. They chase a woman, then chase comfort, then chase validation, and that's why they stay average. Because average people never commit to one thing long enough to master it. Before we go deeper, if you are serious about breaking out of that pattern, the pattern that you are in, hit the like button, because this video isn't motivation, it's confrontation. If you are brave enough to hear the truth, it'll change you. 1 year, that's it. 365 days where your energy, your mind, your time, your attention all serve one goal. If you gave 1 year to your business with full focus, you'd either scale it beyond anything you thought possible or learn more than most people do in 10. If you gave 1 year to your fitness, you'd be in the best shape of your life. Not just physically, mentally, because discipline in the gym bleeds, whether you like it or not, into every part of your life. If you gave 1 year to your relationship, you'd either build a partnership stronger than most marriages, or finally have the clarity to walk away from what's draining you. 1 year of focus exposes the truth. It reveals what's worth keeping and what's been wasting your time. The reason you are stuck isn't because you lack talent or skills. It's because you keep dividing your power. You're multitasking your purpose. Every time you chase 5 goals, 10 goals, you teach your brain that nothing really matters. And every time you quit early, you teach yourself that your word means nothing, not to others, but to yourself. But when you commit to one mission, really commit, your entire identity shifts. You start thinking, eating, sleeping, and moving in alignment with that one goal. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop explaining your ambition to small-minded people. You stop caring about opinions that don't pay your bills or build your legacy. That's what focus does. It makes everything else irrelevant. But let's be real. It's not exciting most of the time. 1 year focus will be boring, lonely, repetitive. And that's why most people quit. They think boredom means it's not working. They think if it's not dramatic, it's not progress. But real growth is quiet. It's waking up early to do the same thing again and again until one day people start asking, how did you get here? The answer will always be the same. Focus. Month 1, you'll feel powerful. You'll feel like you finally figured it out. By month 2, the excitement fades and reality sets in. By month 3, the grind gets heavy and everyone around you starts doubting you. They'll say, you are obsessed. You need balance, bro. You're taking it too seriously. Catch a break. But by month 6, you'll have results they can't ignore. By month 9, the separation begins. The gap between who you were and who you are becoming changes. And by month 12, you'll be unrecognizable in whatever goal you stick to. That's the power of one focused year, 365 days. But to get there, you have to build an environment that matches your ambition. You can't stay focused if you are surrounded by distractions, disguised as friends. You can't chase greatness while entertaining mediocrity. Your circle should pressure you to level up, not pull you back to comfort, because comfort is the enemy of progress. Comfort will whisper, "Take the day off." It'll say, "You are doing enough." But comfort lies, because comfort keeps you in the same place you swore you'd escape. Every man who wants to build something real has to kill his addiction to comfort. That's the cost of focus. And when you start winning, you'll realize something powerful. Focus isn't punishment, it's freedom. When you are focused, you stop being controlled by temptation. When you're focused, you stop needing motivation. When you're focused, you stop being pulled in every direction, because your purpose becomes your compass. Discipline creates clarity. Clarity creates peace. And peace is what every man is really chasing, even if he doesn't know it yet. If you're focusing on business, that means 12 months of obsession. Learn your craft, master your numbers, build systems, build relationships, study marketing, sales, psychology, communication. Every day is a chance to sharpen your weapon. Make a list and start checking and learning and reapplying. Most people will look up one day and realize they've been trying for 5 years and never went all in for one. Don't be that man. One focused year will do more than a decade of scattered effort. If you're focusing on fitness, it's not about abs, it's about identity. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing a man who does what he says he'll do. You'll sacrifice nights out, junk food, comfort. You'll lift when you're sore. You'll run when you're tired. And after 1 year, you'll understand this wasn't about muscle. It was about mastery. If your mission is love or relationships, focus doesn't mean chasing someone. It means learning how to lead with strength, protect with wisdom, and love with presence. 1 year focusing on becoming the kind of man a great woman can trust, and you'll never have to beg for love again. Whatever you choose, business, fitness, purpose, faith, mastery, give it 12 relentless months. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Focus will isolate you before it elevates you. You'll feel misunderstood at almost every chance that you see other people. People will stop calling. You'll feel left out. That's not a sign you're losing. It's proof you are outgrowing your old environment. Isolation is the incubation stage of transformation. You'll spend nights working while others sleep. And when the results come, they'll say, "You changed, bro." Yes, you did. You were supposed to. That is the point. Most people never make it through that first year because they expect instant payoff. They want to plant the seed and pick the fruit in the same season. But growth doesn't work that way. Your results will come when you've proven to life that you can handle them. And life only trusts the focused. If you stay consistent, you'll start to notice something. You stop thinking about how far you have to go and start thinking about how much you've already become. Your focus will turn into confidence. Your confidence will turn into competence. And competence will build everything you ever wanted. But let me warn you, success won't always look like success while you are building it. It never does. What you see online doesn't happen. Some days success is just showing up. It's doing the reps no one sees. It's saying no to distractions that no one else even questions. That's the part that defies you, not the trophies, the process. You'll learn to love the work more than the reward. And that's when you know you've crossed the line between interested and committed. 1 year of focus isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. It's about proving to yourself that you can keep promises longer than your emotions last. Yeah. It's about building a foundation so solid that no storm can move you again. You'll fail, absolutely. You'll stumble, you'll fall behind, but as long as you don't quit, you are winning. Because 1 year of unwavering commitment will turn into 10 years of results. And that's what separates men who dream from men who dominate. At the end of that year, you'll see it. You won't recognize the man you've become. You'll talk differently. You'll walk differently. You'll see through people's excuses like glass. Your energy will change. Your presence will demand respect because you respect yourself for doing so many hard things that you wanted to quit on. And when someone asks, "How did you do it?" you'll smile because the answer is simple. You stopped being everywhere and decided to master somewhere. So here's the challenge. Pick your one thing. Business, fitness, faith, purpose, whatever it is. Choose the mission that matters most right now in this season of life and give it everything for 12 relentless months. No breaks, no excuses, no distractions. Because the truth is, you are only 1 year of pure focus away from becoming the man you were always meant to be. And that's it. Until next time, peace.